I would highly recommend this course. And I say that because I've never been in a course where I was able to ask so many questions and where the information presented was broken down into very kind of simple answers and solutions. I mean, I couldn't take notes fast enough. And that's a rare thing for me in a CE course. Usually I go to CE course and I'm happy to get half a dozen little golden nuggets and I'll make a note here or there. But this whole course, in fact, when I looked around the room, everyone was super engaged. I mean, there was complete engagement by the audience. And Dr. Roulette is truly a master at what he's doing. He is really a masterful clinician. And so it makes the learning really exciting. So I would recommend this to anyone who's new to practice, but particularly those who've been practicing for a while. Maybe you want to just change the way you do some things. Make your dentistry a little more interesting. Maybe enjoy what you do a little bit more. I think Lumineers offers that. I think if you come to Dr. Roulette's course and see the live placement and interact with him and ask questions, you're going to find when you go back, you're probably going to be a lot happier and healthier as a clinician.